Welcome to Timeless Wisdom, your friendly cleaning guru headquarters. Hey there, friends. I'm so happy you've joined me today. If this is your first time tuning in, you've come to the right place for making life a little easier, especially when it comes to living comfortably in your golden years. Whether you're dealing with some physical challenges, or maybe you're just looking for an easier way to get things done, we're here to help. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cleaning, not another video about cleaning. But hold on a second. Don't go anywhere just yet. I promise, this is not your average cleaning tips video. Today, I'm going to share 10 super simple cleaning hacks that will not only save you time and energy, but also make your home sparkle without making you feel like you just ran a marathon. And let's face it, sometimes that's what cleaning feels like, right? A marathon. Before we dive into these hacks, let me tell you a bit about my journey. I've been living with inflammatory arthritis since I turned 30, and if you're wondering what that's like, imagine having your joints feel like they're made of rusty gears every time you try to do something as simple as scrubbing a floor or lifting a heavy cleaning bucket. So yeah, cleaning became a major challenge for me, but I've learned some tricks over the years that make my life a whole lot easier, and I'm eager to pass them on to you. Now, grab your favorite drink, maybe a nice cup of tea, or a glass of wine if that's your thing. Sit back and let's talk about how we can make cleaning easier, one hack at a time. Hack number 1, the magic of the angle broom. All right, let's get into it. My number 1 cleaning hack is the angle broom. If you don't have one of these in your cleaning supplies arsenal, you are seriously missing out. You can grab one for under $2 at Walmart, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. I used to struggle with sweeping, especially in tight corners and underneath furniture. My hands would get tired, my back would hurt, and don't even get me started on trying to get that last little pile of dust in the corner. But the angle broom, it changed the whole game. Why it works. The angle of the bristles gives you leverage, so you don't have to bend down as much or use so much force. You can sweep with minimal effort and still get the job done right. It's great for seniors or anyone who just wants a simple solution. The best part? You can even use it for cleaning your shower walls or bathroom corners without having to twist or bend in uncomfortable ways. Example, one of my friends, Sally, is in her late 70s and has bad knees. She tried the angle broom for the first time and said, "Well, I can sweep without feeling like I'm about to fall over." She's been using it ever since, and it saved her a ton of energy. Hack number 2, keep it simple, stick with what works. Okay, hack number 2, when it comes to cleaning products, keep it simple. I know, there's a whole aisle of fancy, all-natural, eco-friendly cleaning products out there, but let's be real, they often require more scrubbing and more effort, which is the last thing we need. I'm all for being kind to the environment, but I also need to make sure I don't hurt myself in the process. That's why I stick to Pine Sol and other tried-and-true cleaners. They work, they're affordable, and they don't require a PhD in chemistry to figure out. Why it works. Simple cleaning solutions like Pine Sol get the job done with minimal fuss. You don't have to use a ton of it to see results, and you won't need to scrub like you're entering a cleaning competition. Example, I had a neighbour who used to get all excited about these miracle green cleaning products. She'd spend hours trying to make them work, only to end up frustrated. After a couple of sessions, I gave her a bottle of Pine Sol, and she said, "Why did I ever bother with those other things? This stuff works so much faster." Hack number 3, downsize your bottles. Here's a little hack that changed my whole life. Smaller bottles. If you're using big, heavy cleaning bottles, it's time to downsize. Go to your local dollar store, grab a few small spray bottles and transfer your cleaner into them. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Why it works. Smaller bottles are lightweight and much easier to handle. Plus, you'll find yourself using less product, which is always a good thing for your wallet. Example, My friend Doris has trouble with her hands due to arthritis, so she couldn't hold heavy cleaning bottles for long. After I showed her how to use smaller bottles, she was able to clean without having to constantly switch between multiple products. Now she's able to keep her house spotless with way less strain. Hack number 4. Use smaller trash cans. Here's the deal. Ditch those giant trash cans and switch to smaller ones. We all know that taking out the trash can be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be a heavy lifting competition. Why it works. Smaller bins are lighter and easier to move, especially for seniors. Plus, they encourage you to take the trash out more often, which keeps your home cleaner and fresher. Example. Tom, a gentleman in his early 80s, used to have a massive trash can in his kitchen. Every time he had to move it, he would groan. After switching to a smaller bin, he was able to take out the trash every few days without breaking a sweat. He said, "This is a game changer. I don't feel like I'm lifting a truck every time I need to empty it." Hack number 5. Invest in a lightweight vacuum. Now, let's talk vacuums. If you're using a heavy vacuum that feels like it was designed by the devil himself, it's time to get something lighter. I swear by the Dirt Devil. It's small, compact, and still gets the job done. Why it works. Lightweight vacuums are easier to maneuver, which means you can vacuum without feeling like you're about to have a heart attack. Example, I had a client who used to dread vacuuming because her old vacuum was so heavy. After switching to the Dirt Devil, she could easily clean the floors without feeling drained afterward. She even joked, "It's like I'm vacuuming with a feather instead of a brick." Hack number 6. Simplify your bed-making routine. You know those Pinterest-worthy beds with a million pillows and blankets? Yeah, forget about them. Keep your bed simple, just a nice quilt and a couple of pillows. Trust me, it'll make your life 100 times easier. Why it works. Fewer pillows and layers mean less time and energy spent on making your bed. Plus, it keeps your space feeling calm and decluttered. Example. Nancy, a lovely lady in her 70s, used to spend 20 minutes every morning fluffing pillows and rearranging blankets. After switching to a simpler bed setup, she was done in 5 minutes, and she said, "I'm not getting any younger, you know." This is the best decision I ever made. Hack number 7. Declutter, declutter, declutter. Let's get real. Clutter makes cleaning so much harder. The more stuff you have, the more you have to clean around. So, declutter your space. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Why it works. The less stuff you have, the less time you spend cleaning it. Plus, a clean, clutter-free home can actually make you feel less stressed and more at peace. Example. Grace, my neighbour, used to have shelves filled with knickknacks. Every time she dusted, it felt like she was moving a million little items around. After she decluttered, she found that she could dust in half the time and actually enjoy the process. Hack number 8. Grab the tongs for laundry and clean up. Here's a fun hack. Use grilling tongs to pick up clothes and other items around the house. You know those long metal tongs you use for barbecuing? Yeah, those. Why it works. Tongs help you pick things up without having to bend down or strain your back. Example. Marty has back issues and bending to pick up laundry was a real pain. After trying tongs, he couldn't believe how much easier it was to grab clothes from the laundry basket. Now he uses them for everything. Hack number 9. Use your angle broom for high spaces. Remember that angle broom? Well, guess what? You can also use it to clean high spots like ceiling fans and crown mouldings. Just attach a microfiber cloth to the bristles, and voila! Why it works. No ladders, no risky balancing acts. Just a long broom that helps you reach high spots without any danger. Example. Barbara, who has a bit of a fear of heights, was able to clean her ceiling fan without getting on a ladder. She said, "I feel like a cleaning wizard now." Hack number 10. Wipes for window blinds. Finally, wipes are a lifesaver when it comes to window blinds. Just grab a wipe, wrap it around a finger, and slide it between the blinds. Boom, done. Why it works. It's fast, efficient, and doesn't require any heavy lifting or awkward bending. Example: Louise, who lives in a humid area, used to struggle with cleaning her blinds. After using wipes, she said, "Well, that was easy. Why didn't I think of this before?" Conclusion: a little goes a long way. All right, folks, there you have it. 10 cleaning hacks to make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're a senior, someone with physical challenges, or just looking for ways to make cleaning simpler, these tips are here to help you keep your home sparkling without breaking a sweat. Now, here's my final piece of advice. Don't stress about perfection. Life's too short. If you can do a little each day or tackle one task at a time, that's more than enough. Give yourself a break when you need it. And remember that the world won't end if you don't clean every corner of your home every single day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Timeless Wisdom. And hey, go ahead and share these hacks with a friend who might need a little extra help in the cleaning department. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care, and as always, keep it clean, but don't overdo it. You've earned your rest.